Sodoma Law Greenville is dedicated to helping individuals navigate marriage, divorce, and everything in between. Stephen Christ is the managing attorney, and we got a great topic today, something to really think about. And we want to talk about 5 signs that you may need a divorce.
Okay.
All right.
It's one that we were talking about like in the commercial break, because it is one that a lot of people talk about. Are there some telltale signs? Is it, just because you get in an argument is not the sign of like, let's go get a divorce.
Right.
What are some of the things that we should be paying attention to?
Well, that's a great point to start with. Is some conflicts normal? That doesn't mean you're headed for divorce. And it's also worth pointing out that marriage isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. Every marriage is different. So when people come in, they ask this question a lot: when do I know when the right time is going to be? And our usual answer is, we can't tell you that. It's whenever you're ready, but when you're ready, we're here to help.
Yes, and a lot of times, just speaking as a female, when a female makes up her mind, it's like a lot of the times, there's been a lot of thought gone into it. But you could also get, because, you get mad, and sometimes you think like, this is it, I'm done. It's like, don't do anything rash, because divorce is, it's kind of permanent, and it disrupts a lot of things.
Sure, and that's why getting advice early can help, even if you don't know the decision you want to make. Because if you do just make a snap decision, go out, file for divorce, and you haven't prepared, you haven't thought through what you need to do, gotten your ducks in a row, it's going to be a lot messier.
And some people think that they're going to inflame the situation when they come back to their partner and they said, I met with Sodoma Law. You feel like it's all the way over. If meeting with someone, that doesn't mean you're like signing divorce papers that day. You're just talking about what the options are.
Exactly, and it's completely confidential. You can have a consultation and your spouse never find out.
See, that's important too. It's not that we're advocating keeping secrets from, your spouse. That may have been what led to you coming to see you. But what are some of like the main kind of trends that you see that kind of, move people towards separation?
Outside of the big fault-based stuff like infidelity, we usually see a breakdown in communication. People quit putting in the effort. One spouse is trying to fix things, trying to improve the relationship, and the other just isn't responding. But really a breakdown in communication, I think, is the most common, and that leads to the things like financial issues, financial infidelity, but it's all communication based.
Yeah, I was going to point that out, because last time you came on and talked about financial infidelity, it was like, that's something I hadn't even thought about, but mostly because I've never had to split finances with anyone, so I'm like, I don't know how that works, but that's one of the big ones, of seeing money going somewhere you're like, what's going on here?
Sure.
That always kind of probably leads you.
Well, that would feel like a big betrayal if it's like, gosh, I thought we were bringing in more. Wait, you're spending thousands of dollars and you're not knowing about it?
Start seeing the credit card statements you didn't know existed. The income starts being deposited a little differently.
Yeah. Is that stuff that you can help with? Like if, the client comes to you and is like, can you help get some of that back?
Like, let me call Visa real quick.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. And get the financial records, see where it's been going and what's changed.
Yeah. Being transparent is always helpful. So for folks that are maybe thinking that, hey, I at least want to come in and talk about what my options are, they can just set an appointment, come by and see you guys and say, here's where I am.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's never harmful just to ask questions.
Right. You just want to be completely armed, have all the information located right here on Court Street in downtown Greenville. Sodoma Law. You see their number on the screen, website, sodomalaw.com. Look them up if you need a conversation. Thank you, Stephen. We appreciate it.
Thank you.